Hello Ji, Namaste, a warm welcome from Jikisha. Today let's make a glass color painted tea light holder. For this activity we are going to use waste empty boxes like this. We need 3 such boxes. First, let's make a freehand sketch of a tree. For this, use a permanent CD or DVD marker pen. Now, let's give it a 3D look using an outliner. Here I have used Fevicryl glitter 3D outliner. Apply equal pressure on the bottle all the time so that you get even lines. But in case there are lumps in the lines, don't worry, use a skewer stick to pick up that extra lump of glitter glue. And this way you can reshape your lines. Also, sometimes the lines break, like in this case. Again, this can also be corrected using a skewer stick. Always keep a tissue paper or a rough cloth, a rag handy, so that the extra glitter that you pick up on the skewer stick can be wiped out on the paper or on the cloth. Here's a closer look for you. There you go. The extra lump of the glitter glue has been picked up, and now the lines look far more better, fine. Sometimes the outliner spreads and 2 lines get joined. This can also be corrected using a skewer stick or a regular toothpick. And now it's time to color the tree. First, let the outline dry completely and then start filling colors. By the time this dries, let's make the second painting. Now for this painting, I'm going to refer a book. Let's first trace a nice picture from the book and then make an outline for coloring it. You can also explore your bookshelf for various journals, magazines, or even newspaper, and I'm sure you'll definitely find a nice picture of your choice to be traced. A little more extra seaweeds and bubbles and our picture is complete. Now let's make the outline. For the first picture we used this shade silver. For this painting I am using the white shade for the outline. For the first painting, the tube that I used had a short nozzle. This outliner bottle has a longer nozzle, so it's better for making fine lines. a little more extra curves here and there so that the picture looks full. As you know, glass colors are quite free flowing and they spread easily, and you can also use a skewer stick to facilitate this flowing of the glass colors and help them blend with each other. Now by the time this dries up, make the third painting. I have painted a lamp post. All the three paintings are done. Once they have dried up completely, attach the three paintings with each other using an adhesive tape. I enjoyed making it. Hope you enjoyed watching it. If so, do give a thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe. Also hit the bell icon for future notifications. It's a bye for now. See you soon in the next video. Till then, stay motivated and keep repurposing, recycling and reusing.